Hello, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build website from scratch using completely free version of Hestia WordPress theme. You will learn how to apply themes, change fonts, add images, videos, posts, upload files, and creating fully interactive front page, all from the WordPress customizer. By following this step-by-step guide and applying techniques learned in this video, you will be able to create your own website from scratch, add your own content, and customize it to your liking. Before we proceed to creating the website, I'd like to take a minute to explain the process and requirements for your website. In order to create a new website, you will need domain name and the hosting provider. The way I like to explain this is to imagine your house. The land on which your house is built on is hosting. And basically what that is, web hosts are companies that rent out their servers to host your website on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, anyone can access it by typing in your web address in their web browser. And when they do this, their device will connect to the server your website is hosted on. Your house is the actual website. It's just a page or number of pages on the web that contains all your data, all your information, everything they will put on your website. And your street address is your domain name. For example, google.com, wikipedia.org, bbc.co.uk. If you scroll down to this video description and click on Bluehost discount link, this will take you to the Bluehost web page with discount already applied. The link will work worldwide, and your currency will change according to your location. Click on Get Started and choose your plan. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to choose Basic Plan, which comes with one website, 50 GB of SSD storage, and free domain. You can read through all available plans and choose the one that's more suitable to you. But if you are looking just for one website, I would recommend to stick with the Basic Plan. And please note, if you decide that Bluehost is not suitable for you for whatever reason, you can cancel your subscription and get your money back within 30 days from the date you've purchased Bluehost hosting. Next, we are going to choose our free domain. Make sure your domain is one of the kind, unique, and not owned by anyone else. At this point, I'm going to show you how to claim an additional hidden discount to add to the one you already claim by clicking the link in the description of this video. If you move your mouse pointer as if you want to close the page, you will get an additional special sign-up offer. All you want to do is just to claim savings. This is now changed accordingly, and Bluehost automatically will apply the cheapest option, which comes with the longest period of hosting. Make sure you choose the one that suits your needs. I'm going to select 12 months, and I'm going to untick all the package extras as none of them are really essentials for your website. With 2 discounts applied and free domain included, the total amount for your website hosting for 1 year comes to $59.40. In the UK, it will cost you £53.34, and if you are purchasing Bluehost from anywhere in Europe, it will cost you €60.11. Obviously, all these costs captured at the time of recording this video and might be slightly different whenever you decide to purchase Bluehost hosting.
Next, you want to fill in your information. Scroll down to payment. You can pay by card or click on see more payment options to check out with PayPal. Tick terms and conditions and hit submit. Payment process is complete and your Bluehost account is created. At this point, you will receive the email from the Bluehost to verify your account via your email address. All you have to do is to go to your email address, the one that you provided while creating Bluehost hosting. Find the email from Bluehost that prompts you to verify the account and click on verify your email. Please note, from this point onwards, it could take up to 2 hours for your domain and hosting to be activated. You could still carry on setting up your account in the meantime. Go back to previous page and click create account. At this stage, you are going to create your new password to be able to log into Bluehost web hosting. Make sure you remember it or make note of it somewhere, as this is the password that you're going to be using every time to log into Bluehost and edit your website. Retype your password created earlier and click login. Skip next 3 steps in which Bluehost are trying to help you to create your new website, as we are going to be using WordPress dashboard and Elementor Builder to create our website later.
And there we are. We've successfully set up our site, which we will use to create our online blog. Click on Login to WordPress in the right-hand corner, and it will take you to your WordPress dashboard.
And this is where you're going to be doing all your background work and creating your website. Adding medias, pages, posts. It has this navigation menu on the left-hand side, which have loads of options, and we will cover some of them while creating the website. To access your site, click on Home button in the top left corner, and it will take you to your website. WordPress applied a very basic theme with very little information, and we will be customizing it to our liking. If you click back on the dashboard icon, it will take you back to the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing you want to do is to scroll down to the appearance and choose themes. Then scroll down to the bottom of the themes listing and click add new theme. Now there's a lot of themes you can choose from. We're gonna search for the themes, highlight the popular ones, and then you want to type Hestia and click install. Once installed, click activate. And click on a home page in the top left corner. Okay, so the theme has been applied and we can start customizing it to our liking. Back to dashboard. And now we're going to add some pages. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down to pages, click add new. I'm going to call it tutorials. I'm going to leave it blank because we're going to come back and I'll show you
how to edit them later on. You want to click publish and publish again. Back to dashboard. We're going to add another page. I'm going to call it downloads. And again, publish again. Same again, add new. This one I'm going to call about and publish. Right now, if we're going to view the website, as you can see, we still only have home and blog pages. That's because we need to apply these new pages and add them in our menu. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the dashboard. We're going to scroll down to appearance and we're going to choose menus. We already have top menu selected. What we want to do, we want to add the pages we've just created. So you can find them on the left hand side. You can see most recent, you can view all of them, or you can search for the pages. We're just going to go for most recent because that will show you the ones you just created. So we're going to add about, downloads and tutorials. So you click add to menus. If you want to reshuffle them in any particular order, you just want to click on the particular page and drag it up or down. If you want to make it a sub item, just move it to the right and it will make that page the sub item on the page that's listed above. So I'm just going to leave them as complete pages. I'm just going to move tutorials and downloads and leave it as it is. And then once you've done that, you can see the primary menu ticked. You want to click save menu. So now if we open our website, and I'm going to open it in another tab, what it will do, so it will let me to keep my dashboard open and apply any modification, and then I can just refresh the website and to see all the changes applied. So as you can see, our pages has been added to our home menu. Okay, so now the page is added, we can work on our footer menu. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see there are some sample pages that be added by the theme, and we are going to modify it in the same way we did our top menu. So likewise, we're going to go back to the dashboard and add some pages. Okay, so now the pages are added, we can add them to our footer menu. Go back to dashboard, menus, but this time we're going to apply changes to our footer menu. From edit menu section, choose our footer menu and click select. Right, now we're going to remove the existing pages from there, and to do that just click on the drop down button, click remove, and we're going to add the newly created ones. We're going to add terms and conditions, cookie policy and privacy policy. We're going to click add to menu. I'm going to change them around. Make sure footer menu is ticked and click on save menu. Now refresh your website and our footer menu has been updated with the new pages added. Now we have our pages added, we can customize our home page. Scroll all the way up to the top and click on customize in the left hand corner. This will bring up a navigation pane on the left hand side
with loads of different options which you are going to be using to customize your page. On the bottom of that navigation pane, you will have a hide control option, which when you click, you'll be able to see your page on the full screen, and you can bring it back to carry on with your customization. You will also have an option to see your page on the different devices: tablet, phone, and back to desktop view. To customize any section within the page, click on the blue pencil and it will take you to that particular section. If you would like to hide any of the section, click on the eye icon in the left hand corner of that section and it will disappear. If you would like to bring them back, select front page selections and untick disable section tick from that section. Okay, now we are going to customize the big title section. Click on the pen in the left hand corner and add your side title in the side title section. Next, click on the pen next to the main title section. Change your title that are relevant to your website. You can link this button to any page that you would like by adding the URL link. Since this is a how-to website, I'm going to add this button to my tutorials page. Click Publish to save changes, and we can now change the background and the layout of the big title section. And to do that, click on Change Image. Then you can change to any image that you would like and that's saved on your computer. If you click on the drop-down menu where it says Image, it will give you another option called Parallax. And what it would do, it has this cool feature that will let you put 2 layers of the image and will give this floating background effect. So to do that, select first layer image, and then add the same image to the second layer. And there you are. You will have this floating background effect by using a still image. Click on Extra, and this is where you can change your layout of the big title section. So as you can see, at the minute, the layout is set to centered. I'm just going to change it to the left-hand side. And click Publish to save changes. To change color of the button, click on Appearance Setting, Colors, and then choose the colors that you'd like to change it to. You can click hide controls now and again throughout the customization process, just to make sure that you are happy with the changes applied and to view the website in the full screen. Okay, next we're just going to work our way down. We're just going to click on the pen within the features option. Then you can change the content that is relevant to your website. You can change the content of the features on the bottom of this section by clicking on each feature and modifying it within that section. You can also add a new feature if you'd like. You can also remove it if you change your mind. So from this point onward, the customization process is pretty much the same. Therefore, I'm not going to cover every single section. I'm just going to fast forward record the outstanding amendments of the homepage. Okay, so now our homepage is complete. I'm going to show you how to edit the pages that we've added earlier. And to do that, we need to close down the customization menu we've used to amend that homepage. First, I'm going to show you how to edit and add text to our pages. Scroll down to our footer menu and choose Terms and Conditions. Click on Edit Page. You can see you've got a different layouts proposed by the theme. I'm going to skip here and stick with the default layout. Click on the plus that says Add Block and choose the paragraph. Now you can add any text that you like. You can type it, you can copy and paste. On the right hand side, you can choose the size of your text. You can apply drop cap if you'd like to. You also have a different color settings and background color. I'm just going to keep everything as a default and paste some terms and conditions that I have prepared. These are just a template terms and conditions just for the purpose of this tutorial. Obviously, if you are going to add any terms and conditions, make sure that they are relevant to your website. Click on Document on the right hand side and you can change the background image of the page. Once that's done, you can preview the page to make sure you are happy with the changes applied. And if you are happy, just click Update. Now I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube videos to our pages. Click on Tutorials and click on Edit Page. First, we are going to change the background image just to keep in line with the pattern of the previous pages and the home page. We're going to skip the proposed layout and click on plus. This time we are going to choose YouTube. Then we are going to copy and paste the YouTube video we would like to add to our website. You can still change the alignment if you'd like. I'm just going to keep it aligned to the center. Again, you can preview. And update the page if you're happy with the changes. Now I'm going to show you how to allow your viewers to be able to download the files that you would like to share from your website. Click on Downloads, Edit Page, skip the layout, click on plus, but this time we're going to scroll down and click on Common Blocks and choose File. Now, as you can see, anyone can download the file that you chose to share. Now, at last, I would like to show you how to edit the blog page. The blog page is slightly different from the other pages that we've amended earlier. If you click on Edit Page, this will take you to the WordPress dashboard instead of your normal customization layout that you've seen in previous pages editing. You can change the background on the right hand side as we did with all the pages. But if you'd like to add any content or posts, you'd have to do it through the dashboard and through the posts section. Once post is created, it will appear in your blog. And there you are. We've created a brand new website from scratch, including adding pages, texts, importing media and data, as well as creating a fully interactive homepage. I hope this guide will help you to achieve your goals, and I will see you in my next video.